Hello guys, today we're gonna be working on the sensing blocks in Scratch. Um, I had this question if new people are watching my videos. If you didn't know what Scratch is a programming language that you can code big and awesome codes with just dragging and pulling down blocks. And today we're gonna be looking at the sensing blocks. We already went through emotion, looks, sound, events. And when we went to control, I did say that the project the blocks get a little harder to understand. So I'm going to try my best to explain it as well as I can. Okay. So first let's look at the first block. We used it in one of our projects. I don't know which one, but I know that we used it. I think it's in control. So touching mouse pointer. So touch. This is also a Boolean logic block. Anything that's like a kind of like a diamond, not really a diamond, really a hexagon, a stretched out hexagon, is a Boolean logic block. It tells you if the thing is right. Right now I have touchscreen, so okay. So the mouse, if it's touching the thing, so we can't do this because we cannot instantly do this and this. It's not gonna work. So we need to put it in some code. Last time in the last video, if you didn't check it out, I make sure to check it out. We used an if then statement block. The if then statement block also requires a forever around it. So whenever we're touching the block forever, it's gonna do some code. Okay, so I'll explain what this is. So we're putting a forever because the if then statement needs to go on forever so it can work. So if the mouse pointer is touching the sprite, then let's see, like we can just say hello for 2 seconds. And I'll make it for 5 seconds so everybody can see it for a long enough time. Just put when sprite clicked. So see, because we're touching the mouse point, we touched the sprite when we clicked it. That's why it is saying hello. But if we change the event block and did when space key press, oh my god, I can't even talk today. Pressed, then look at this. It's doing the thing, but it's not doing it till it's getting touched. So that's when if then else statements come and we can use other sensing blocks. For now, let's use the second sensing block. I think I'm going too much into control now. Okay, let's go to the second block. Touching color. Okay, I'm just gonna bring in both of them because these two look similar. So touching color block. If okay, I need an if then with me like all times. Okay, so if um the sprite is touching this color, so get it? If the sprite is touching that type of green color, even if it's a green color, for example, like this, it won't work because that's a different shade. In this, we need to be exact, like exact. So that's why if we go here, we can change the color, but I like to use this one so we can like take the color. See? Like that little pixel right there is black, so it says black. This is all white. So yeah. So when color touching green, let's bring in another sprite. No, I'm sorry. I accidentally did upload sprite. Surprise. Okay, we got a knight. Okay? We got a knight. Now, we need to put if color touching. Let's do this color right here. If color touching that, Then um then ask what's your name. What about that? Actually, no, not ask what's your name. These two need to be touching, similarly touching. Remember our front letter. Okay, so after they're touching, we they need to think. They need to say hello. This will say hello forever because not because we're doing a forever hello, because we don't have any further code. See? Hello. Now let's retry that. It's not saying hello because the it's not touching the color. So yeah, this block I don't know. I've never really used it in my projects. Because I put like statements for like if like different times like yeah, and then color is touching. This block is very similar, but it's like when that color is touching this color, so it's like a bigger statement. And if you have a question, if we can put two of them in the same time, we can't. We can only put it in these ones. So yeah. So this is not gonna work because those two colors are not even in the code, like not even in here. So if you don't get it, just join my Discord and we can we can ask questions. But yeah, like two different colors if they're touching. Yeah, it's similar to this one. Okay, now distance to mouse pointer. This is not gonna work here because this is not a Boolean logic. See? It just says a number. It's a variable. If it's like this, it's a variable. So distance to mouse pointer. So it shows the distance. See? That's the distance. This is the distance from the night. The cat from the night. Let's see if we can put it. Oh no, not there. Sorry. If we can put it there, see it's 302. If we put it right there, 10. I don't know when to get it to 0 or 9. Oh my god, it's 17, 15. I'm 14. Okay, so this is like a distance till the other sprite. And then our fourth, not fifth block. Fifth block is ask what's your name. I, in my opinion, this is a pretty cool block because if you click it, the sprite asks your name, and then we can just type in our name. Sorry. So yeah, but if we put in the if then statement, it's gonna be much more fun. Look, if let's see, if touching mouse pointer, if touching mouse pointer. Or if touching night. If touching night, ask what's your name. And then if you ask what's your name, sorry if my mic got a little glitchy there. If we ask what's your name, then we can. This is also a variable. Wait, see, I put the answer chat, but it changes to the latest answer. So if I put Bob, it's there. If I put Jake, it's there. So let's put looks, then say hello, say follow me along in this. This is pretty cool. I'm just gonna put this right here. So say join join uh wait we hello, and then we need to go to the variable and put the answer there. So look, now if we put Akshat, why am I so bad at typing? Okay, what's your name? Wait, what? See, it said hello Akshat because we used the join block in, so it joins these two. I'll get more into the operators in the operator blocks. So this is what the ask what's your name block does. For my opinion, I think we need to do the code for asking that, but this is super cool. Just a normal block for asking that. Then let's take this out. Let's take this out. Okay, when space key pressed. We use this a lot. So it's when that certain key is pressed, that certain code will go. If the certain key is pressed, we'll ask what's your name. How about that? Like, wait. Space. Ask what's your name. Yep. See, the space key, you can change it to multiple different keys. There's like a bunch of them, like everything you can think of. Wait, let me bring this up so you can all see it. 9 till. Why is it moving? No, 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 no. See, there's every single letter. Oh, any is also a thing. You can press like anything and it'll just start. It's pretty cool. I usually use space because it's also the biggest key. And next we have mouse down. Mouse down means kind of like I don't wait. Okay, so the mouse down says it's false. I don't get the mouse down. Um, Wait a minute. Mouse X. Mouse Y. Okay, I don't get the mouse down. I'm sorry I couldn't explain that in the mouse down. But I know what the mouse X and the mouse Y means. It means like what position your mouse is in the axis. It doesn't show it here because that's for the sprite. Remember in my like third video, we looked at the x-axis and the y-axis, and I taught you about the four quadrants. I can draw the four quadrants again. One, two, three, and four. So there are four quadrants in here. Four quadrants. Right now, currently, the cat is in. So this is the first one, second one, third one. Sorry, my handwriting's really bad in the computer. Fourth one. Let me clear let me clear this one. Second one. Okay, that's better. Okay, so first, second, third. Currently, the mouse is in third. Currently, the knight is in fourth because more than 50% of it, it's in one of the quadrants. So yeah. So let's go back to sensing. I accidentally pressed change the X by 10. Okay, so now let's do yeah. The mouse X shows me where my mouse is. Currently, if I go right here, I'm in 240 right now. And my mouse Y is in 20, which is actually a positive number, so I'm surprised. Set mode to draggable. This is real easy. Real easy to understand. If you click it, it makes the sprite able to drag. Wait, what? Wait. So when we're doing the code, we need to do the code for this. So let's get the set mode draggable. Let's get a yeah. And then if we just go click that, we can drag it in the middle of the code. And if I stop it, I'm a creator, so that's why. If I go forward, I don't you can't really see, this one's not draggable. Wait, what it is? Oh yeah, it sets draggable for everyone. So if we do that, it just sets draggable. You can drag it when you're doing the code. Drag the sprites when you're doing the code. Maybe it's part of a game. You need to drag it and like dodge something. But the draggable block, like I said, that like the ask block, it's really cool. You can do a lot of fun things with it. And draggable. Now here's the loudness and the timer. The timer always constantly is going because it just starts at the random time, I think. Yeah, it just keeps on going even if you don't click it, it just keeps on going and going and going. The loudness is how much like loud it is. Like when I'm talking right now in my mic, it's actually taking the loudness. Because if I like scream, it's gonna go like really high. So currently I'm at like, yeah, see it's 2. So there's not complete silence, but it is hard to hear. So yeah, the highest I've seen right now is like 62. Okay, so I think you get these. These are variables. Anything that's like a little egg that is stretched is a variable. And then there's a reset timer block. Why do I need to move this a lot? Yeah, I'm just gonna put it right here in the middle where it doesn't even bother anyone. Does that? Boom, reset it. Boom, reset it. Each time you can reset it. And then backdrop hashtag of stage. Backdrop name stage night, X position, Y position of night. Yeah, it just shows, see, Y position of night, direction of night. It just shows you all the stuff. Just but you can also put it like in summer, current year. This actually works. I never even thought it would. 2021, yes. If you're looking this at like the 2030s, I posted this video 9 years ago. Just saying. And you can also see that in the like near the description. Okay, so days since 2000. Oh my god, it's been 21 years. This is how much days has been since the year 2000. Let me read it out loud. 7 blah 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 blah. It's always going to be constantly uh like getting higher and higher each day. Last time when I was in my class, it was like last year, I saw like not 300, like 400 something. And it's really, yeah. Username, it shows you your username. You cannot use this block if you're not signed in. So check my second video and I'll teach you how to sign in. So the username block shows you your username. Yeah, it's easy, pretty easy. Okay, so now we're going to the operators. The one with everything boolean and variables. Okay, so this I'm just going to give a slight glance for this. These blocks, I'm not going to be showing these ones because I'm only in grade 5 right now and I do not know what mod means. I do not know what round means. And I do not know what these all mean. Like cost. What's cost? I see those in the calculators. So the last 3 blocks we're not going to be doing. But the other blocks we are going to be doing. And then the variables. If you think, what are we going to be doing after the variables? We are going to be doing another coding language. I'll show you what it is. Wait. I'll show you it in the next video, in another video, because it's another thing called Coder Z. A lot of people might have heard about this. Coder Z, I'm telling you, it's pretty hard. Scratch is nothing compared to Coder Z, but it does get glitched. So if I show you and it doesn't work, that means your internet is pretty bad. Like my teacher, I followed the code she said, and then it didn't work. Yeah, and one thing, you need subscription for Coder Z. So yeah. So I advise you to join Hippocampus where they teach you all about Coder Z. That's where I learned Scratch and Coder Z. So yeah. See you on the next video for operators. Dun dun dun.